Et kuzar ger mazon ba et ma mweza was se verbe pret et kuzar ger mazon ba et ma mweza was se verbe pret ma mweza was se verbe pret nes keten des nagon penket al dam zi zwanja verbet keten des nagon penket al dam zi zwanja verbet et al dam zi zwanja pa de zen le red in pep kanon et al dam zi zwanja pa de zen le red in pep
Tíh Harters Michigan agus fáilte rísca ceann Calteach an saoir CCTV a Cambridge, Massachusetts. Agus inis leanana rá leis an scéal Harry Potter cabhfuil an cnapa seo. Harry Potter agus an orchlach agus Harry Potter main ar athrónid. Sin iad na scéalta atá I gceist aguain agus cnapa an seo. Agus tá méis a ggurló inis agus bhímuid a caint faoi daoine mar sin. Okay, so cacha mé leanant le seo agus cá ramuid caint faoi Spain agus Okay. Anon le béin gur hastíomh le Rónán, d'arc sé suas sa spéir. Bhí me caint le go cantor Okay, so bhí me seo. Tí go a béin ar sa Hagrid gachrach ag gceart. Tróna bhuait a Hagrid. Thasúil go bhfuil tú go má. Má go leor, féic, bhí mé díreach ag fíre de Rónán an macha tú sa rud a bith as bealach an seo iste le déine is álaí atá aon bheanach gortathe a néach ólas ar bith agat faoi sin. Good evening to you, Hagrid, said Ronan. He had a deep, sorrowful voice. Oh, no. Covered then. Oh, yeah. Agus and Brannish. Let's go. Agus sa Brannish. Bhí bud seo. Nos bhfuil dá Carnóid imláin ach iscuid chláir dinmharch. Nos bhfuil dá tí Hagrid med like chochún meon chláis devún I fríd le gúblis. A bheith tí am bhí sa chi Ach ruan bhím bód an chrí a bhealas chochún med like Hagrid gan dar lá ar I bhua. Má chuba thrúg an chud ina ggóig má duine Harry Potter Hermione Granger go a lá dis giblion drá inar iscol a duine chochún hich bhai dar barch idí ó. Agus nish. Okay, it's you. Oh, it's you. Into the clearing came, was it man or a horse? To the waist, a man with red hair and beard. But below that was a horse's gleaming chestnut body with a long reddish tail. Harry and Hermione's jaws dropped. "Oh, it's you, Roland," said Hagrid in relief. "How are you?" He walked forward and shook the centaur's hand. "Good evening to you, Hagrid," said Roland. He had a deep, sorrowful voice. "Were you going to shoot me?" "Can't be too careful, Roland," said Hagrid, patting his crossbow. "There's something bad loose in this forest. This is Harry Potter and Hermione Granger, by the way. Students up at the school. And this is Ronan, you two. He's a centaur." Okay. Anon le bain gur has tíomh le Ronan, dark sé suas is spéir, tá mars an gheall a nocht session golam. Thula mar sin sa Hagrid go cantálacht. Well, má ecin ceachtar agah rud a bith, curtha sibh scéalta thugan nach gurmid. Bémuide ag cur din mar sin. Agus cacha mé féchant Okay, so Tamid and Shaw. Ach tú hain atá an a Ronan sa Hagrid agus fuiste déir, cén céchúil tú. Thug sé céim a hún tasí agus chuach láb leis an géintéir. Tróna má huit a Hagrid sa Ronan, bhí ghór dahan dó Ronach aige, hill tú mé ag scuilach. Is fear bheith feicilach sa Hagrid ag bua cnígóg an gros wala. Trá drochrúd ag éigen chus sin éiris seo. Seo Harry Potter agus Hermione Granger dal an scéal. Nic léon iad an scóil chuas agus seodíomh Ronan is centaur é. Daithní mar an méid sin Hermione go híseol. Tróna má díomh sa Ronan. Nic léon an agus a bhla míonn sibh mór an thuas an siúd an scóil. Bégan éigen sa Hermione cíneal fateach. Bégan éigen, well, is má sin hain sa Ronan dosna. Tá sé siar a glugan agus stán an airde sa spéir. Tá mars an gheall nacht. Fíor ghuit sa Hagrid agus há sé strach échant in airde freisin. Éist is málam gur bhfuil mar leat a Ronan mar tá aon bhena gurta a hart thug tú hain rud a bith faoi deara. Okay, this is in Branish. Suan ní meddai Hermione in Wanton. Nos fyd dda meddai cochwan. Dis gisblian, yeah? Idach hyn disgu llawr draw in yr ysgol. Tipyn bach meddai Hermione in Betrus. Tipyn bach, well, mai hynny hwrbeth. Och nediodd cochwan in a chlichliod I ben in all a sichli hour. Marth in chlachar henna. Ydy meddai Hagrid gan edrych vinny hefyd. Granda, dwi'n falc yn bod ni wedi dod di drawsti cochwan hus ma na unicorn wedi brifio. Was ti unrhyw beth? We'd know this, said Hermione faintly. Good evening, said Roland. Students are you? And do you learn much up at the school? A bit, said Hermione timidly. A bit. Well, that's something, Roland sighed. He flung back his head and stared at the sky. Mars is bright tonight. Yeah, said Hagrid, glancing up too. Listen, I'm glad we've run into you, Roland, because there's a unicorn a bit hurt. You see anything? Ní nav chuintí is tuisce a chreascatar session. Ní ragur Ronan buinte é, war sé ag stanú an arde gan súl a chuichú agus lig osna as a ríist. Na neamhaintí is tuisce a chreascatear ar sesin, sin mar a bhí ar feadh na ginnte agus sin mar tá go fáil. Fíorghuit ar sa Hagrid, agus an wacha tú hain aon rud a Ronan, aon rud as an ngach. Tá mars anheall nacht ar sa Ronan a ríist agus Hagrid ag arc go mí oignach air. Geall mar thar mars nach. Se ach bhí mé ag spuoinú ar rud éige níos gcuire do bhála ar sa Hagrid. Ní acha tú rud ar bit aisteach? A tébod cafún bhim ar I Aonian. Sa chód I bhenú heb gai I chlugaid hid in oid am rantiad ina ach nédiod drach heaven. I didn't wad idir de dhibhúr cuntav medai, vechli bihi inar amser a bhí, vechli a mai ó híd. Yeah, medai Hagrid, on was tí rúbach cochwin, rúbach an arvarol. My march in chachar heno medai cochwin wedin, tra guai Hagrid on the aminiv in anavarol o lacher. Idi on rúbach an arvarol dippin in nes an dra onin in vedel. Medai Hagrid. Vechli duitin them wedi sulo inchro beth an arvarol. Ronan didn't answer immediately. He stared unblinkingly upward and then sighed again. Always the innocent are the first victims, he said. So it has been for ages past, so it is now. Yeah, said Hagrid, but have you seen anything, Ronan? Anything unusual? Mars is bright tonight, Ronan repeated, while Hagrid watched him impatiently. Unusually bright. Yeah, but I was meaning anything unusual a bit nearer home, said Hagrid. So you haven't noticed anything strange. Arist ella hog sé tamil Ronan a ragart. Fui yera laur sé. Is rún fui chelt san eris session. Rogrid agans na cran tíf here de Ronan agus dardi Hagrid a wala arist. Ach nira an ach an dar cantar a dúv ó grug agus ó Holland agus cuman níos irgulta na a bhí Ronan. Díhuit a bhéin sa Hagrid, gacrid a gart, trína na mágwit a Hagrid, tasum go bhfuil tú go má. Má go leor, féic, bhí mé dúrc ag fíra de Ronan an wacha tusa ruidir bhe as bhealach an seiste le déine. Is álaí atá aon bheanach gortatha an nic ólas ar bit agat faoi sin. Cymerodd cothgwan hyddoedd I a teb ata, o'r diwedd meddai mae'r gwledwig yn cwyddio llawr o gyfrinach Symudodd rhywbeth yn y coed ti cefn y cochwan. Cadoedd Hagrid I fwa eta, ond dim ond ail ddim farch oedd yna. I chwacht a'i gorff yn ddi, ac I fwy gwycht o'r og na cochwan. Hello, Islwyn, meddai Hagrid. Sut hwyl? Noswyth dda, Hagrid. Dwi'n gobeithio dy fod ti'n iawn. Digon da fydd. Dithgra, dwi'n newid fod yn holi cochwan wels ti rhywbeth angyffredin o gwmpas y lle. Mae'n ddiweddar. Mae yma unicorn wedi I fifro. Wylos ti rhywbeth amdano fo? Yet again, Ronan took a while to answer. At last he said, the forest hides many secrets. A movement in the trees behind Ronan made Hagrid raise his bow again. There's only a second centaur, black-haired and bodied, and wilder looking than Ronan. Hello, Bane, said Hagrid. All right? Good evening, Hagrid. I hope you are well. Well enough. Look, I've just been talking to Ronan. You seen anything odd here lately? There's a unicorn been injured. Would you know anything about it? Anon le Bane gur has tíomh le Ronan, dark sé suas sa spéir. Tá Mars an geall nach tar sesin go lom. Thula mar sin sa Hagrid go cantalach. Well, ma acin ceachtar agah ruidir be, cur sibh scéala thugam. Nach gura, bin midna curdaíon mar sin. Lean Harry agus Hermione as an basog, iad ag brachnú thar ar ngúan Ronan agus Bane, go dtí gur hell na crin ó iad. Céardóid Islúin at Colchúin a sefydd wrth I ochr. Edrychod I fyny awr. Mae Marth in chhlachar heno meddai simul. Glwsyn ni meddai Hagrid in drwg I hwyl. Wel, os gwel am a honach chi rhywbeth. Rhwch wbod iawn, awn ni fechi. Dylunod Harry a Hermione Hagrid o'r chlanarch, gan edrych dros I his gwyddau at Islwn a Cachlwn nes iddyn nhw fynd o'r galwg in y coed. Bane walked over to stand next to Ronan. He looked skyward. Mars is bright tonight, he said simply. We've heard, said Hagrid grumpily. Well, if either of you do see anything, let me know, won't you? We'll be off then. Harry and Hermione followed him out of the clearing, staring over their shoulders at Ronan and Bane until the trees blocked their view. Mas fada were sail, sa Hagrid go cógach, na bigi exul the fragra dirach o chantar. Paca rajoy, gan sim acu an einrud an tíf seo den galach. Agus mór an díf siúd atá hart an seo, sa Hermione. Och, down ma, dram dóibh hain iad den chuid is mó, ach tá siad magalóir faoi chacht lachar má hastíon wem focail a bheith agam lil. Dram dawan iad na ceantart. Bíoch is agat, tá ólas acu, ní ligean siad orchu an aird sin sinna méid. Peidiwch beth me by Hagrid, a chresio cael atab I ben gan ddynfarc. Ser sulchwyr fechtith. Dim diddor deb mewn din byd in nes nar chlaid. Oes in lawr honen hu in mewn yna, gofynnodd Hermione. O, am hw byd, mae'n hw cadw at I gilydd, ran amma, ond mae'n hw dda iawn am ddo dral os bydda I isio gair. Crediria dwfyn, cofiwch din ferch, in gwybod pethau ond beth yn dangos llawr. Never, said Hagrid irritably, try and get a straight answer out of a centaur. Ruddy stargazers, not interested in anything closer than the moon. Are many of them in here? Asked Hermione. Oh, a fair few. Keep themselves to themselves mostly, but they're good enough about turning up if ever I want a word. They're deep-mind centaurs. They know things. They just don't let on much. An dólat gur kentar a chulamór ar ball sa Harry. An dólata gur turan crúb bit a bhíán, ní ha, crejum hain, gurb é siúd atá ag maro na néan vanach, civi rodé, níor hula mé lechid riamh rive. Hiúil siad rumpú tríd an goil lú lorcha. Bhí Harry ag féchant siar thairis gach rééis seall le teán nervise. Rá sé míthachar má bheithí ag cuméid orthú ar leachama aigean. Bhí sé buach go raibh Hagrid leo agus chosmhála aige. Bhí siad díreach aní conradh sa gcosán a scuichú nuair a rug Hermione ar láb Hagrid. Ótín meddwl mai dín bhar glúsan ní gunai go bhinneoidh Harry. Oid ón súniú bhel cama tí nach oid. Beth binnig fin chláid ar inaccord oid ó siúr iawn. Chlúis I ddim byd tebyg iddo roid o'r blaen. Ar bigar draen cerddódd Harry ymlaen drwy coed tuach, trwchus, gan edrych dros I ysgwydd in barhails. Sŵn hwnri fod rhywun in I gwylio, hen deimlad anafyr iawn. Dyna falch oedd o fod Hagrid a'i fwa gyda'n nhw. Roedden nhw newydd fynd hebeithio tro ar y chlwbr pan guthrodd Hermione I fraich Hagrid. Do you think it was a centaur we heard earlier, said Harry. Did that sound like hoof to you? Nah, if you ask me, that was what's been killing the unicorn. Never heard anything like it before. They walked on through the dense, dark trees. Harry kept looking nervously over his shoulders. He had a nasty feeling they were being watched. He was very glad that they had Hagrid and his crossbow with them. They had just passed a bend in the path when Hermione grabbed Hagrid's arm. A Hagrid, fech. Spreche derga, tan dramella e dribloid. Fanagi shibshon she, scored Hagrid, agus cuinigi ar gusan, be me aras fui were gwynia. Huashid ag rebach riva trid and scorbanach agus fago iad ag fechint héile gus scafar gadi nach ra le chunstin ach scordan and dúlar ina jimple. Hagrid, Edrich, Grachian Koch, Marcel Meon Helland, Hosakeen die in Van Ma, Gode do Hagrid, Hosuk a chlivri, though no ich no he, Clusant on Dirna for Dur to Viant, Sappho the thy gen Edrich Gilid, Weddy Dichrin in Ovadenhu. In a Towello the Pobman, doi them in gloid on Sifrud Idile in a coed oi gumpus. Hagrid, look, red sparks. The others are in trouble. You two wait here, Hagrid shouted. Stay on the path. I'll come back for you. They heard them crashing away through the undergrowth and stood looking at each other, very scared, until they couldn't hear anything but the rustling of the leaves around them. Tasugum nar horti iad no dada ersa Hermione gugger. Balachuma lum Malfoy ve gortaha ersa Harry. Ach. Matawerde gana nia graham all our Neville is Ornia and locked Gawil Shane Shaw Sagade Ot. Uti them and Neville I boden who wedi brifo uti Sabritho Hermione. Dim oats gene am machwood on os ois Hubeth wedi Kyle Gavile Nevid. Ein baini idi oi vodo immer in a chlay kuntav. You don't think they've been hurt, do you? Whispered Hermione. I don't care if Malfoy has, but if something's at Neville, it's our fault he's here in the first place. As to Harja, Neil Moran am Faki Agan, Marshin, Kakamud, Kriefni, a dhéanamh ar an scéal. Bé mé an ag gan seachta leúna dé agus tásúm go mééis sibh éisteach lom ag gan seachtainna freisin. Bé mé leút le Harry Potter a main ar achranid agus Harry Potter agus an orchoch agus cacha mé réití rud se. Agus tásúm go mé oíche hána má agah. Agus mébé an gan catan asúnaige go leúna dé agus tá sógam go bhééis sibh an a féchan orm. Nis slán go fáil slán a níis.
Et kuzarger mazon ba et mamweza wase verbe pret et kuzarger mazon ba et mamweza wase verbe pret mamweza wase verbe pret sketen deis nagon penket hal dam zizvanya verbet sketen deis nagon penket hal dam zizvanya verbet et hal dam zizvanya pa de zen le redin pepra non et hal dam zizvanya pa de zen le redin pepra pa de zen le redin pepra redin onan naver kan tumultan an remwel redin onan naver kan tumultan an remwel